Hi everyone, welcome back to this video on cryptocurrency using Testnet. Bitcoin Core, like almost all other Bitcoin software, has full support for operation on Testnet instead of mainnet, but also allows you to mine Testnet coins and operate a full Testnet node. To start Bitcoin Core on Testnet instead of mainnet, you use the Testnet switch $Bitcoin testnet. In the logs you should see that Bitcoin is building a new blockchain in the testnet tree subdirectory of the default Bitcoin directory. Bitcoin using data directory home username Bitcoin testnet tree. To connect to Bitcoin, you use the Bitcoin CLI, which is command line interface, command line tool, but you must also switch it to testnet mode. So here's the output here, or the code I should say. You can also use the get blockchain info command to confirm the details of the testnet tree blockchain and your sync progress. You can also run on testnet tree with other full node implementations such as BTCD written in Go and Bcoin written in JavaScript to experiment and learn in other programming languages and frameworks. In early 2017, testnet tree supports all features of mainnet in addition to segregated witness, the appendix D, which has yet to activate on mainnet. Therefore, testnet tree can also be used to test segregated witness features. Segnet, the segregated witness testnet. In 2016, a special purpose testnet was launched to aid in development and testing of segregated witness. This test blockchain is called Segnet and can be joined by running a special version branch of Bitcoin Core. Since Segwit was added to testnet tree, it is no longer necessary to use Segnet for testing of Segwit features. In the future, it is likely we'll see other testnet blockchains that are specifically designed to test a single feature or major architectural change like Segnet. Regtest, the local blockchain. Regtest, which stands for regression testing, is a Bitcoin Core feature that allows you to create a logical blockchain for testing purposes. Unlike testnet tree, which is public and shared blockchain, the Regtest blockchains are intended to be run on closed systems for local testing. You can launch a Regtest blockchain from scratch, creating a local genesis block. You may add other nodes to the network or run it with a single node only to test the Bitcoin Core software. To start Bitcoin Core in Regtest mode, you use the Regtest flag $Bitcoin Regtest. Just like with testnet, Bitcoin Core will initialize a new blockchain under the Regtest subdirectory of your Bitcoin default directory. Bitcoin using data directory hosting username Bitcoin Regtest. To use the command line tool, you need to specify the Regtest flag too. Let's try to get the blockchain info command in to inspect the Regtest blockchain. It will take a few minutes to mine all these blocks, which certainly makes it for easy testing. If you check your wallet balance, you will see you've earned reward for the first 400 blocks. Coinbase rewards must be 100 blocks deep before you can spend them. $Bitcoin CLI Regtest get balance 1246250, I suppose that's 000, so 3, okay, 0000000. Using blockchain for development. Bitcoin's various blockchains, Regtest, Segnet, Testnet 3, Mainnet offer a range of testing environments for Bitcoin development. Use the test blockchains whether you are developing for Bitcoin Core or another full node consensus client, an application such as a wallet, exchange, e-commerce site, or even developing novel smart contracts and complex scripts. You can use the test blockchains to establish a development pipeline. Test your code locally on a Regtest as you develop it. Once you are ready to try it on a public network, switch to Testnet to expose your code to a more dynamic environment with more diversity of code and applications. Finally, once you are confident your code works as expected, switch to Mainnet to deploy it in production. As you make changes, improvements, bug fixes, etc., start the pipeline again, deploying each change first on Regtest, then on Testnet, and finally into production. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you like listening, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.